Hey guys, and welcome to my quick unboxing of DJI Osmo Action. Camera features rock-steady stabilization that's direct competition for GoPro Hero 7 Hypersmooth. It has 4K 60 frames per second, so I'm very curious to see its real-world performance. So we got two compartments and very nice box, I have to say. DJI did a great job on that. Camera is in a mounting bracket that looks just like in a GoPro. Let's peel those stickers. Rounded lens, nicely textured body. And let's see what's in this little box. So we got some mounting, USB Type-C cable and screw, another mounting, battery that's in battery case, and of course, just like usual, paperwork. I can't wait to test it. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see future review that's coming very soon. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.